Good day to you all. Is this is the brand channel or is the brand media? On this channel, remember I told you that I'll be teaching you guys on how to make money online. And at the same time, I will be teaching you to on how to make money when it comes to passive incomes. And we have various of ways that one can earn money, and at the same time, also you can do passive income on some websites that are looking for affiliates to work on for them. There are many sites in which you can do affiliate on. An affiliate, remember I told you then, is a marketing strategy that will not fall. Now let me briefly explain that to you. When we say an affiliate, this is Mr. A and this is Mr. B and this is Mr. C. Now Mr. A has a business that he is doing, and because he wants the business to grow fast, for people to come, know what the actual people to come and buy his what he's selling. Then Mr. B, being a middleman here, an affiliate, will come and say, I want to help you to advertise this product so that at the end of it, I will have my commission. Then Mr. B will now move straight to Mr. C and say, I have a business that I want to do with you. This is how much it is. So by the time Mr. C agree to pay you the money, after he or must have bought the things or do the business with you, then when he pays you the money, immediately Mr. A will give you a commission on that. So you are the middleman here. So you have to promote the product, and this is the product here. You have to promote this product to this young man here. So you can be called, and in that way you are called an affiliate. You are doing affiliate marketing because at the end of it you have your own commission. So that is an affiliate network. So many people wonder, how can I have all of these websites so that I'm able to do this affiliate network or affiliate programs? Well, there are many sites there in which you can do affiliate for. We have Fiverr. Fiverr itself has an affiliate platform. We have Digistore. We have ClickBank. We have JVZoo, and we have WaterPlus, etc. So all these are what affiliate programs, and some of these they are ones that have cookies, and we'll also explain what cookies is by the time we get to that stage. So by the time you look for all these websites, you'll be able to do affiliate for them, and you too will receive your commission. But bear with me, or know that those that has cookies, it is what I want to teach you about this moment. Those programs, affiliate programs that has cookies, is what I want to teach you. I know you have been hearing about affiliate marketing, but I want to personally tell you now that I've did that research, and I've seen one that can help you to grow your own passive income at your leisure time. Yes. Now, when we say cookies like a day that they've given to you, or months that they have given to you, to the person that will be clicking on that link. For example, we have 30 days after you must have signed up on that link or on that program. So you want to promote that program with an affiliate links because you have agreed with owner of the product that you want to do an affiliate for. So immediately you start to promote this by posting your links on social medias and wherever you want it to be. So if someone comes to that link that you have posted in several websites, and the person is click on this link, even though that the person did not buy at that particular time, but when the person make up his mind and say, okay, let me go and buy that product. So even though the person buys it at his own due time, you will still have your own commission. That's what cookies is. So if someone click on your link and the person still come back maybe after many days or so and still use your link to buy, you will also receive your commission. That is what cookie does. So this moment, I want to be telling you, I want to teach you on how to look for these programs that has cookies so that you're able to do your affiliate network very well. For those that wants to do affiliate marketing, I really love that market indeed, because it's something that is something that is simple and you can earn money on much more than other platforms. So let's go straight to the website and see what I'm talking about. So we want to quickly type something like this: affiliate programs with cookies. Remember, I said it's what we want to to look for. So we come down, you see it here. Now let's see how many of them we have like this. We have 8 of them here. Yes, let's go down and see those that you can that has cookies. Um, we go to okay. Let me type again. It's like it's not here. I did do it well. Good, good. Best. We have best 11 best live cookies affiliate programs. So you click on it, and let me see. Show you something. Show you something quickly. Let's wait for it to load. Fine. Yes. So we can see very well that we have 11 of them here. 11 best live cookies affiliate programs. Huge payouts. Amazing. Now let's go below and see some of these or the 11 of these affiliate program that has cookies which can help you to earn a commission. The first one here is live webinar affiliate program. So this is an affiliate program. You can go and sign up with this program and know more what they do, understand very well what this program does, and you will see if it will help you to earn your commission. Now, I want to quickly look at this program, the cookies of it. We go below, you see commission rate is 30%. So any amount that they sold out or whatever they buy on this, your commission should be what 30% or for life. And if you see the cookie here, exactly this is what I'm talking about. Fine. Cookie duration, lifetime cookie duration. You see, lifetime cookie duration rather. So this one, even if the person comes back 10 years time, 5 years time to buy on this product or to uh, um, if it is a platform rather, and the person want to click on precisely, that you will also be paid whenever the person comes back. That is for the first one. Then the second one is Nutri Profits. I think I have an account with this Nutri Profit. I'll be using it. I'll be doing affiliate on this program. I have an account here. If you, let me show you my account for you to know that I have an account here. And it also have cookies, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, that's cookies. And lifelong cookies length. You see now, lifelong is in forever. So it's a forever. Even if the person comes and buy on this, you will still have your commission. If you look at the commission already, it's about $30 to $40 per sale. And what this program is actually, let me click on the program. Let me show you what I'm talking about. I want to log in on my account. Show you that okay, let me try again. Like let me try. Good. You see, that's open. So I have an account with it. So there was a link I posted yesterday. You see this fat burn active, this bulk extreme. So all these things are weight loss, body build, enhancement for uh, organs, especially when someone is the organ male organ is not functioning well. You can definitely buy this product, and you see the commission rate here, 30% of what you must have been sold. This is a link, so it's not hard, and it's a lifetime cookie. Look at it here, lifetime cookies. So if you have do affiliate on this platform, actually you will have a better chance to have any commission here. So we have many of them. Let's still go back. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So that is for that Nutri Profits. Okay, it has cookies. So if you go and look for those that have cookies, lifelong cookie length for that one. On this particular one, I love coding affiliate program. It also has, I think, cookies too. Never expires. See, lifetime. We have pay half affiliate program too. So by the time you look at all of this on your own, this is the commission rate now, $200 per merchant, and it also has lifetime referral period. So it is very amazing, my dear friends. It's very amazing. So if you are looking for a way to find affiliate programs that pays in dollars, you are to go to you have to what you need to do is to go to your browser, you type affiliate programs with cookies. Remember that. So when you are looking for a program or a platform that you want to do an affiliate on, always try to type this way: affiliate programs with cookies. So this will help you to earn $1 or you able to see a program, affiliate program that will pay you dollars for you to use the money to take care of yourself and other necessary expenses. So affiliate networking is a very fine networking platform that will help you to have a passive income. And many people are doing this. So if you look at others, you see there are about 11 of them. So if you go below, you see buy Barpros affiliate program, just like that. American debt enders affiliate program, so on. So they have many programs that I would love you to check on personally. So it is not only ClickBank and KV Zoo or especially these ClickBank especially that we have affiliate network there. This particular one I showed you is now this Nutri Profit affiliate program. It's very simple. It's very simple. Try it out. I have products that I even posted on my website that they are dragging. If you see many traffics on it, though I've not sold anything out, but I have that mindset that one day it will go well. Remember, if you want to make money online, it is something. It is not a get rich quick scheme. No, it's not a get rich quick scheme. It's something that comes gradually. It's a gradual process. So don't think that if you want to make money online, you have to invest money immediately. No, you have to start to monetize at your due time. It's not something that you all come quickly and you earn money. No, have that patience to stay until when that time comes. It's right. That time arrives for you to make money online. But I always give advice to everyone that if you want to make money online, try affiliate marketing. You can try it. It's very good. It's helpful. There are many of them. If you know that they can help you, just try it out and see how reassuring it will be when you start making a hell of money. Not just in naira, but in dollars. I'm staying in Nigeria, that's why I said in naira. So if you want to make money, always concentrate money, especially those that are living in Nigeria, concentrate on programs that will pay you at dollars because dollar has a high value more than naira now as as we are speaking. So these are ways in which you can look for affiliate programs with cookies and start promoting them. Now I want to go back to see if we also have other ones. This is 11 of them. We saw not quite long. You can also see 19 on that one, 19 affiliate programs that also has cookies and commissions. Let's see that. Okay, it's like this one is that's the server is not responding. Let me click again. The server is not responding. All right. So they are just try it at least 9. Let's see what this one will where this one will take us to. You see? So there are many of them. Nutri Profit also is also here. You can imagine. You can imagine. Nutri Profit is also here. It's on number one here too. I'm not mistaken. You see? So it has a great way, a great length for you to do an affiliate marketing and then you're able to earn commission, especially when you promote them on social medias or you have your own website. You can even do email marketing. I have a video that I did, and I'll put the link below on how to do email marketing. Yes, a software or a website that can help you to extract email from somewhere and send this message to these bulk emails that you have to these people, and immediately one after the other they'll be receiving them immediately. So by the time they receive it, you see you're also doing at the same time posting your link on website, and also at the same time you are doing sending messages to email through emails, and that's another way to promote affiliate links. So by the time you do it yourself and exercise patience for you to earn your own commission at the due time, then you must have worked hard so that you earn your commission. So these are how to look for cookies, affiliate program that has cookies that will pay you in dollar. Please kindly subscribe to my channel so that whenever I post awesome videos like this, you will notify immediately. And don't forget to like and make any comment on the comment section below so that we will be moving as a family and grow together. Thank you.